this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. I love it. It said life's a beautiful adventure, and then on side I've got thank you for being part of mine, and it's just so sweet. So let me show you what I did. I've got the scrap piece of Whisper White in my Stamparatus, and the stamp set I'm using is this one called Beautiful World. Really nice. And then stamping, as I said, in Misty Moonlight, because that's going to be the colour and background paper. So just ease, I've got everything here in my Stamparatus. Magnet is really strong today. Where's my simple chamois? Clean up the stamp so I can take it out. Put that aside. And then this is for the inside, so this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10, and we're just going to try and line this up as straight as we can sort of get it. And we're going to stamp again in Misty Moonlight. I love this blue, it's absolutely gorgeous. So there we go, thank you for being part of mine. Close up my ring pads, take that, and I'm just going to clean up as I go along, as you know. Just saves a lot of time later. Okay, so put that aside, put this aside. Okay, and now we're going to cut this out using our trimmer. You've seen me do this zillions of times. I'll get a piece of post-it note tape to help. And I'm just going to cut around the sentiment. Like this, because this way I can get it exactly how I want, and I find it quite often much easier to do it this way than to try and stamp on a small piece of paper. But it's each to their own, really. Ugh, I've moved it. I'm going to just use my, as I said, my post-it note tape to hold things sort of in place. Yep, that'll do. Okay, so get rid of these pieces. And then I've got here some of the brass, what do you call this? Brass, foil sheet, that's the name, foil sheet. Hell, that took me a long time to get there. And all I'm going to do is stick my piece down here. Most probably here in the corner where I know everything is straight. And because I'm feeling really lazy today, I'm just going to cut this out freehand. So I'm just going to cut a little bit extra than I need. Out like that. Put that aside. And then, to be very blunt, I'm going to cut this out. This is such a small piece. I'm just going to cut it out freehand. Like that. And a nice pair of long scissors, big scissors, really helps when you're doing something like that. Okay, so we can set that aside. Everything is sticking everywhere to me today. I've got a piece of washi tape to try and keep my mat in shot, and it's coming up. So we've got all our bits here. So our card base is crumb cake. So that's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of the Designer Series paper, which is, oh, what's it called? Let's see. It's called World of Good, and it measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Sorry, I'm just destroying my carved area. Anyway, I'm sure all of you have gone through the same thing. hang on a second, I've just made a boo-boo, or I was about to make a boo-boo. We're going to do this next. These are designer series pieces of paper, same paper, and these pieces are scraps. So one is 3.5 centimeters wide and one is 4 centimeters wide. Okay, by the same length. There should be as this, 14.35 centimeters, but I think I didn't cut them down because I wanted to make sure that they would reach the end despite my bad cutting. Yeah, see? So what we need to do now is centre this, and this would have been easy if I hadn't put adhesive on the back. Like that. Okay, now I've used this side, the blue side again. Last time I didn't, and you know, I only used the blue. Last time I used this side, I only used the blue side this time because I made a boo-boo. I think it looks still good. You can tell me which you actually prefer. Well, let's wallop this down before we have any more accidents. What do you say? So you can see last time I used the reverse. This time I didn't, so you can tell me which one you like better. Let me know in the comments below. And we're gonna pop these up with dimensionals. I can feel my throat is starting to go because I've been filming all morning. Okay, I think it's time to give up and go and have a break for lunch. There we go. Okay, get rid of all these backs. For a second I just checked to see if I was actually filming, because I can see myself this morning, the way things have been going, that I've been happy nattering away to myself and not even filming. And then inside we're going to put our insert. Make sure we've got it the right way. There you go. There are 2 cards. What do you think? Which one do you prefer, A or B? A or B? Let me know in the comments below. So I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project's measurements, supply list, etc., it'll all be on the blog post, and links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the links to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club. The details of card club are on the website, but do come and check us out in the Facebook group. We're a lot of fun. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.